Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need the basics ready: a charged Crusher AnC2 and your phone with the Skullcandy app. Power the headset by holding the power button until the LED blinks. Once done, tap the app to pair via Bluetooth and follow on-screen prompts. Make sure to allow location/Bluetooth permissions. You're starting with firmware up to date and battery healthy, which avoids connectivity hitches. After pairing, confirm audio routing in your device settings, so calls and media use the Crusher automatically. You'll fine-tune sound next. In the app, pick an EQ preset or create a custom curve. You want clear mids and controlled bass to preserve vocal detail. Use the tactile bass slider on the ear cup for physical low-frequency adjustment while playing test tracks. Change in small steps and listen. Once done, switch ANC modes to match your environment. Max for planes, high for busy streets, off for situational awareness. Make sure the headset's fit is snug. Seal and bass response depend on the ear cushion contact. You're wrapping up with daily use and maintenance. Use the on-ear controls for playback and calls. Press patterns control pause, skip, and voice assistant access. Charge with the included USB-C cable. A short 10-minute charge provides a quick boost for travel. Once done, store in a dry case to protect cushions. If pairing fails or audio drops, reset the headset by holding power and volume down together for 10 seconds. Then repair. This clears stubborn Bluetooth caches and resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.